In this video, I'm going to show you how to open PDF attachments in Yahoo Mail from Firefox and how to make sure Firefox displays them the way you want instead of sending them to another app or downloading them by default. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of time if you regularly receive PDF invoices, forms, statements or documents in your email. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You want to start from the Firefox browser itself, because we're going to change a setting that controls how PDF files are handled inside the browser. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. That is the main Firefox menu, where you can find the browser settings, privacy options, and other tools. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page in a new tab. On this page, you'll be able to control different browser behaviors, including what happens when you open certain file types, like PDF documents. Now, in the settings search bar, type Portable Document Format. This is the quickest way to locate the PDF handling option without manually scrolling through all the settings. As soon as you search for it, Firefox will show the Portable Document Format, or PDF, section. Next, look for the action setting next to Portable Document Format. This is the important part. Click the drop-down menu beside it, and you'll see a few choices. Select Open in Firefox. This tells Firefox to use its built-in PDF viewer whenever a PDF file is opened. In other words, instead of downloading the file automatically or sending it to an external application, Firefox will display it directly in the browser. Once that setting is changed, you're ready to test it. This is especially useful if you use Yahoo Mail often and want a smoother workflow when handling attachments. It also helps avoid confusion if your computer has multiple PDF apps installed and you want everything to open consistently in Firefox. If the PDF still doesn't open the way you expect, double-check that the action is set to open in Firefox and not save file or use other application. Also, make sure you're using the updated version of Firefox, since browser updates can sometimes affect how file handling options appear. And that's it. You've now learned how to open PDF attachments in Yahoo Mail from Firefox by changing the Portable Document Format action to open in Firefox. If this video was useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.